You were able to make $18,000 within 30 days after joining the academy. Kind of break that down.
Yes, sir. Get it. When you're an entrepreneur, if you're a real entrepreneur, not just an LLC owner, because you can have an LLC on paper, but if you ain't making no money, you're not a business. So to be able to invest in this service that you have and then make 18K that month, this is the most I ever grossed from clients. I did that just with the bare minimum. Imagine when I really lock in and really do some marketing, I could do 30. I did 18 on accident. For those out there, that wondering if it's cap or not, this is definitely, I'm 100%. This really works. Some of the best finances I ever spent money on.
What's going on, family? We got another academy testimonial, another student that's been able to crush it in a very, very short amount of time. He's a testimony that's going to show you when you come in and execute, you can reach your goals as fast as you're willing to, right? So without further ado, man, I want to introduce my brother, Jesse. What's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm blessed. Peace and blessings, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we're going to start things off pretty smooth. Obviously, everybody know you're in the funding space, but I want to kind of let you briefly describe to the people, what do you do? And basically, what area do you come from? What background do you come from? Kind of give us a little.
Absolutely. I initially started in the entity formation space. So I have a company called Exodus Business Establishment. Before I got into that space, to be completely honest, I lived a whole different lifestyle. So I had to really grow and learn how to, be an entrepreneur. So I was in a life to where, it was a lot of violence, it was a lot of crime. So I literally changed my whole mindset. That was back in like 2020. So in 2021, honestly came, I quit everything. I dropped everything and I started studying and I learned how to do LLC formation. So what I did was I created LLC at that time and I just started learning how to build business credit. And when I built business credit, not personal credit, but business credit, I got an employee retention credit grant, ERC, for 50K. And when I first touched that 50K, that's when I knew, like, okay, this space is a good space to be in. At that time, I still had bad credit, so I started to get familiar with personal and business credit. And then from there, I started creating like literally hundreds and thousands of LOCs for people in my community. They're coming to me for LOCs, C Corps, S Corps. I'm creating them. I'm giving people the entrepreneur mindset. I'm showing them you can make at least 50K legally. You know what I mean? So I've been in that space for like 4 or 5 years. About 2 months ago, back in May, I came across, I was on Facebook scrolling, like we all do, and I came across the WBA, the academy, the big academy, the Bidders Academy. So I seen that, and I paid my purchase to get in, and literally within a month later, I grossed 18K. So I made about 14K, 12K in funding, the rest in shelf corps that I purchased from him as well, credit repair. When I made 20K pretty much that first month, I realized too, like, this is something that's real. And that's probably the biggest investment that I made in my life. That 5,700 initial starting price was game changer for me, life changer. Now my goal is, for the next few months, I want 30K a month minimum. And on from there. So, it's just, so I appreciate the academy, and that's pretty much how I got started in this space. So.
Heck yeah, man. Well, let's break it down for the people. Like you said, you started in LLC formation.
Yes, sir.
You came across an ad for the academy, but what attracted you to this space? Like, what attracted you to this space and say, you know what, I want to get into the space? You already doing LLC.
So to be completely honest, what attracted me to this space was how I can able to make, 5 figures in a month and also help people touch 6 figures in that same month. So I'm able to help people at the same time and most importantly help myself. So I'm like, in order for me to touch 10K, somebody got to get 100K. So I'm blessing people at the same time I like getting blessed. So it's like, it's a win-win for all around the board. And majority of the times, if your credentials are correct, there's no risk, there's no money up front that the client has to pay. I mean, it's beautiful. So to me, it was like a game changer. And like another thing too, I understand, like, not to go too deep, but in this space, a lot of people don't understand the value of personal credit and what it can do for you in America. A lot of my clients, when I pitch, the information that I have and what Exodus Business Establishment can do for them, they always tell me, this sounds too good to be true. And I tell them it almost pretty much is, but they trust the process. And then from there, I get to change their paradigm and mindset. And it's living like a mind-blowing thing. It's like, it's so big to where I can't even describe how far you can really take this thing. You know what I mean? Like, I tell people all the time, why work 12 months to make 100K when you get 100K in 7 days dealing with somebody like myself?
100%.
And they hear that, they're like, you know what? You know what I mean? So, yeah, my bad. Go ahead.
Nah, I was saying, man, you talking that talk, brother, and one thing I want to point out too is you're basically selling the transformation. You're helping people transform into the become. So many people in this world want to achieve great things, but they don't have the tools, the resources to be able to get that done. And you're able to give them those resources to become the best version of them, man. So that's super powerful,
correct.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Not to go away from that, man. Like you talked about, you were able to make $18,000 within 30 days after joining the academy. Kind of break that down.
Yes, sir.
will think that that's fake. They'll think this is fake and everything else is
Yeah,
fake. But kind of break that down and be real.
I get it. When you're an entrepreneur, if you're a real entrepreneur, not just an LLC owner, because you can have an LLC on paper, but if you ain't making no money, you're not a business. So I dealt with money my whole life, but to be able to invest in this service that you have and then make 18K that month. This is the most I ever gross from clients, not from a loan, not from credit. This is cash flow, not credit card. So me grossing that much, it's doable. I did that just with the bare minimum, going through 10%, 20% of the modules. You know what I'm saying? Just, seeing what I already know and don't know and using the information. Imagine when I really lock in and really do some marketing and really do something, I could do 30. I did 18 on accident. That was accident. 18 was accident. You know what I mean? So if I can imagine what I can do when I really like have a set goal and a set target. For those out there, that wondering if it's cap or not, this is definitely, I'm 100% the epitome of that. This really works. And, some of the best finances I ever spent money on before.
And go ahead and let the people know, man, how long were you in the academy before you even reached this milestone?
I was in the academy no longer than 45 days. Like, I jumped in the academy on May 7th. I think by May 26th May 7th, by June 26th, I was done with funding. I was just waiting to, get my hammer. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, brother, it took me about 45 days or less to gross 18K, like 100%.
100%, man. So
100%.
I always like to bring it back to make it real honest and transparent for the people. Because they may think this is too good to be true, making 18,000 in 45 days since joining the academy. But what
Yeah.
were some main challenges you probably faced? You know what I'm saying? Before and acquiring clients, just anything in general. Was it pretty
So the
smooth, laid out, or kind of let us
I
know?
mean, for me, it was pretty smooth. I jumped in this space because I'm familiar. I actually love what I do, so I love this. It's not just like I don't just think about it for the money, but my biggest, bottleneck at the moment was finding actual qualified clients. So actually, finding because some people say, well, okay, to get 100K for a client, I get 10% commission, but first they have to have the right kind of credit score. And most people don't know people that have 780 credit score plus. Some people don't know somebody that they can just call right now and say, hey, you got primary credit cards, 30,000 plus, so I can get you funding. And if they do, they don't trust that person to give them their credit score to get the funding done for them. So to be in this space, for me, you have to really be a trustworthy person because the clients I'm accumulating, they all got 800 plus credit scores. And they give me the information with clockwork because they can feel the authenticity and the organicness and also the passion that I have of them excelling, not even by my commission. So for me, the hardest thing was just finding those clients. And when I found those clients, all they do is, word of mouth is the best marketing, warm outreach. And they just telling me, hey, Jesse, I got a buddy here. And they just refer me to their people because they're in that same community environment. So if they got good credit, then their friends and their family got good credit as well, too.
Exactly.
Majority of the times.
And that's so powerful as well because I talk about it all the time. What you put out into the marketplace is what you attract. So how you carry
Yes,
yourself, how you present yourself, how you talk, all of those things
correct.
matter because those are going to resonate with the people you want to deal with. If you talk low quality
Exactly.
talk, you're going to attract low quality people. So I'm glad you were able to implement that and execute that, man. You've been
Yes,
able to
sir.
have success pretty fast, bro. And I want to ask you, based on your results so far, where do you see your business going in the next 6 to 12 months?
Honestly, I'm gonna say 12 months. My goal is to touch six figures. Like 7 figures, become a millionaire. So I'm thinking millions. I got a big family, so I'm not thinking millions for my own personal. I'm thinking about the kind of information I could possess and give to other people. So within 12 months, I want 6 zeros behind that number in the front. That's what I want. So I'm thriving for that. And now when I look at individuals like yourself and other people that's on your podcast and people that you done guested on your channels, people can touch millions from this. Legit, like literally, it's not like $1 million for you. Probably is not even a big deal, but it's out there. So I'm looking for that million. I want that first million person from there. I want to scale. So within 12 months, I already did the math. I'm thinking 30K a month, minimum. What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, that's 120 every 4 months. That's 360 a year. I just want to do that for the first minimum. And after that, scale it. So I want $1 million a year. I want $1 million.
It can come,
Yeah, I
brother.
want my first million. Yeah,
It can come, brother, especially with this business model. Trust me, it can come. Next
I
question I
believe
got,
it.
100%. Next question I got for you, man, is were you surprised at how quickly you were able to see success with this business model, right? Some people, they think it takes 6 months, a year to actually get some traction, but you were able to have pretty good success in 45 days, man. So were you
Right.
surprised at the success?
I wasn't surprised. What surprised me was how easy it was, to be completely honest. I know when people think it's complicated. It's not. Make it those modules, you make it simple as pie. You even go the extra mile. So if you read it and pay attention to the modules, for me, the surprising part was I knew I could make the money. It was just surprising how easy it was. Like I said, I did it on accident. So I'm like, damn, 80K on accident? just like, just like that was an accident, brother. So it's like for me, I wasn't surprised because I believed in it. If I didn't believe in it, I wouldn't spend my money on it. So I believed, you know what I mean? That's what made me, pull out my debit card and make that purchase. But it's just surprising was how easy it was. It wasn't the fact that I can do it. It was the fact that how easy it was. That would surprise me. Like, what? Come on. I'll
Exactly.
never work again a day in my life.
I tell people all the time, once you get into the space, you look at being an employee different, you look at money different because you see how fast you can get it when you do the right things to acquire it. You know what I
Correct.
mean?
Correct.
If you
Yes,
look
sir.
at
Yes, sir.
everything pretty different. Next
Yeah,
question
for
I got
sure.
next question
All
I
right.
got for you, man. If someone is on the fence about joining the academy, what would you tell them? If somebody's like, I don't know, this may be a scam or this may be this, what would you tell somebody that's on the fence about joining the academy that may want to do it but just scared to do it? You know what I mean?
Would tell them first, compare every discrepancy that you have and look at the results. So with everything that's stopping you from doing it, look at there's results out there that opposes that discrepancy. There's a solution to that doubt that you have. And once you see that, go for it. Like I think the only thing that stops somebody, honestly, really, they don't have the money. I don't believe there's a reason not to. So if you say, well, does it really work? Go look at the testimonials. I mean, look at this video we got right now. Does it work? Of course it does. At this moment, you just gotta, sit down, put the work in and get your money together. And if you don't have that together, then you got resources for, to get finance for the purpose. But besides that, entrepreneurs, we got to learn you have to there's a risk. You have to also know what discernment, you have the right discernment for what risk to take. And for me, for anybody that's, got a job or they on their last dollar, I would say invest in this. You still got to put work in, of course. It ain't going to come to you. You got to read your modules. You got to go through it. You got to take some time to really study. And if you don't study, then you won't, without faith, faith without works is dead. So you got to put your work in. So anybody that want to get started, there is no reason to doubt it. It's just, if you got the money, I would say do it. If you got the money right now, partial payment, full payment, take that investment. It's definitely going to change your life. Absolutely.
100%, man. And last thing before we wrap this up, man, any final thoughts you want to leave the viewers? Like any final thoughts you want to talk to the younger version of Jesse or somebody may be looking at this and see themselves in you right now? Any final thoughts you want to leave the viewers, man?
Yeah, just dig deep inside yourself. Believe in yourself more than anything. There's gonna be people that's gonna talk down about you. They're gonna think it's too good to be true. They're gonna start you off your journey. Just believe in yourself. That's the best thing. You can't do anything if you can't believe in yourself. So, if you don't believe in you, then it's gonna be hard to make it. So I would say if you out there and you young or trying to figure out life, believe in yourself. Come up with a reality plan, something that's actually that you actually can perform and do, and stick to it. Because I got no excuse. Once I tell my story, once we jump on our podcast, I got a great story to tell. Eventually, when y'all see that, you will know like there's no excuse. I made none. So don't make no excuses. Believe in yourself and try. It's the only way. If you don't fail, you're gonna fail. If you don't try, you automatically fail. That's the key. Keep moving forward. Stay strong. Stay positive, and believe in yourself.
Let's get it. That's a great way to end it off, man. So this is another student, a testimonial for Academy, man. Jesse's been great. I've been good. Hopefully you guys got some inspiration from this, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.